Hello everyone. Once again I welcome you to the online classes. As you know that we were doing writing skill and in writing skill we were doing short compositions. Short compositions so far we have completed notice, invitations, advertisement. Okay? And now you can see that in advertisements I uploaded the 4 to 5 videos I think, and in all the videos I tried to make you understand what are the classified advertisements and how will you define it if the different categories are going to come in your exam purpose. So we were talking about the situation vacant type of advertisement. Now you can see we have already talked about what are the things that you have to mention when you are writing wanted or situation vacant type of required if it is there. So what other points are there to which you have to add while you are writing it. Then we talked about situation vacant type with an example. I already told you that if you are writing a situation vacant type of advertisements, so what are the things which is necessary and how will you put it in a frame with an example. Hope it's also clear to you all. And then I talked about for sale. Actually, I'm repeating all the examples, all the things whatever I taught you. It's maybe the last video of advertisements, so I thought that I should clarify you whatever we have done, and it can remind you and can fresh your mind in fact that these are the things that we have completed. If you have not learned it, if you have not seen those videos, so go through those videos and learn it. Then we were doing for sale, and I talked also about ki for sale me what are the different categories are there, like property, vehicle and household goods things are there. So how will you write it when you are writing for a property, or if it is for vehicle or household things? So what are the things that you have to keep in your mind and just put it the words. And presented examples also for sale. I presented one example for the property and the another example for the vehicle, and the same thing will be for the household goods. So this was the example. I think I hope that these examples worked with you all and it helped you out. Then we talked about if you are going to write the accommodation wanted. So while we are writing for accommodations, what are the things that is necessary to add in an advertisement? Because as we all know that when we are writing a short composition, so in short compositions the words limitations are only 50 words. So within 50 words try to use only those specific lines which is necessary for this ad. So here whenever I made a advertisement or I wrote an with an example in fact, so I always talk about कि आप इसके कैटेगरी में सॉरी इसके कैटेगरी में अगर ये सारी चीज़ें आती है तो आप इसको कैसे फ्रेम करेंगे. इनफैक्ट with examples of every advertisement I talked about. I also talked about the accommodation wanted and presented an example in front of you all. And then I talked about the in my previous videos actually educational institutions. For if you are writing for education purpose, if you are adding something and आप इसको advertise कर रहे हैं, तो advertisement को लिखते समय आप education के purpose से, so what are the things that you have to keep it in your minds. So these are the points which I told you to remember. And then I presented an example of education institution also. Okay, if you are putting it in a frame, one more thing again I would like to remind you all that if you are writing an advertisement, so don't forget to put the box over it. Then this is the example of educational institutions. Yeah, I was getting a message also that students are asking me that ma'am, Is it possible for us that you will provide the written notes in a college when the college will reopen? Yeah, definitely I'll provide you the written one, because this is for videos, and whatever I provided you so far, if you have not written it, if you have not understood it yet, so I will make you clarify in my next classes whenever it's going to be held in your campus. And a part of it, the written will be given to you definitely, because I always heard though we all know it, that video quality is not so good, so the words are not catchy, the words are not very clear to you all, so you have not written it. Or someone told me, someone also talked about they don't have personal cell phones, that's why they are unable to write everything in their notebook. So if you have understood the videos lecture, it's well and good. If you have not gone through the written part, it means if you have not catched the words, whatever I showed you in the videos, so in the next whenever the college will reopen, I'll provide you that one, don't worry for that. Now, today we are going to talk about lost and found. Lost, the things which I had, I have lost it, and found, whichever the other has, I got it. जो मेरे पास था मैंने उसे खो दिया, एंड आई वांट दैट अगेन, उसके लिए मुझे एक ऐड करना है, एंड देन जो मुझे मिला है, अगर किसी ने खो दिया है वो चीज़ को, तो उसके पर्पज़ से आप कैसे ये इसको लिखेंगे. So, whatever I presented in front of you all, the different categories of advertisements. So, hope कि वो सारे different category आप समझ गए हो. Whatever comes in your exam, if we are talking about exam purpose, we are not wasting our time. It's so precious time that you are living at home and you are learning everything, you are learning it. So, it's good कि आपके mind पे वो ज़्यादा store कर पा रहा है and you are very relaxed at home. So, at this period, try to मेक अ नोट इन फैक्ट, और जितने भी डिफरेंट कैटेगरी ऑफ एडवर्टीजमेंट को मैंने कहा है, सो जस्ट ब्रिंग just take questions and solve it according to that points whichever I discussed with you all. So if you're talking about lost and found, then what are the points that we have to keep in our mind? There are the 5 points. The number one is brief physical description of the missing. In my, I think, various advertisement, I already talked about ki brief physical you have to add whenever you are giving a advertising of a property, or it's whether for accommodation, whatever it is. So brief physical description of the missing, like जैसा कि height, complexion and build, कि उसकी क्या हाइट है, क्या कॉम्प्लेक्शन है, कैसा बना है, क्या मीन्स कि ओवरऑल उसने उसका पतला है, मोटा है, क्या कैटेगरी का है वो. एंड देन इन द सेकेंड पॉइंट्स, नेम, एज एंड एनी हेल्थ रिलेटेड इश्यूज. ओके, इट्स नेम, उसका क्या नाम है, एज विल बी देयर, एंड एनी हेल्थ रिलेटेड इश्यूज, कोई पैर का प्रॉब्लम है उसको, या हाथ उनकी डैमेज है, या किसी तरह का आपको पता है कि उसकी हेल्थ की प्रॉब्लम है, जिसको आराम से जस्टिफाई किया जा सके. About the missing person. And number third point is clothes, accessories or any other identifying features. कोई कपड़ा, कोई ऐसा सामान जो उसने पहना हो, या कोई भी ऐसा मार्क जो आपको लगता है कि ये आइडेंटिफिकेशंस के लिए काफ़ी है. So try to put that also. Clothes, accessories and any other identifying features. Then number 4 is tell about place last seen. यू हैव टू टेल कि वेयर कहाँ आपने इसको लास्ट बार देखा था, वेदर ये पार्टी में गया था उसके बाद मिसिंग हुआ, या ये कहीं पे मार्केट में गया था उसके बाद मिस हो गया, या ही वॉज विथ समवन एल्स, वॉट एवर द सिचुएशन वॉज, टेल अबाउट द प्लेस लास्ट सीन. last one is details of reward if any contact phone. यानी नाउ यू विल पुट द रिवॉर्ड कि अगर ये पर्सन या ये चीज़ आपको मिलती है तो उसके लिए अगर आपको रिवॉर्ड देना है, देन एड इट, और एल्स, एंड ऑल्सो द कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर. डेफिनेटली जब ये आपको मिल जाए, तो ये चीज़ मिल जाए, ये इंसान मिल जाए, तो ये आपको कांटेक्ट कर सके उस फ़ोन नंबर पे। सो प्लीज़ ट्राई टू पुट योर कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर। या अगर हम कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर की बात करें तो देयर आर द मेनी ऑल द एडवर्टीजमेंट यू दैट इज़ कंपल्सरी पार्ट की यू हैव टू गिव योर फ़ोन नंबर। नाउ द मिसिंग। अब ये मिसिंग है, मिसिंग के लिए लिख रहे हैं तो ये मिसिंग है। मिसिंग मोस्टली जो चीज़ पे आता है, आई एम फोकसिंग ऑन दैट ओनली। मिसिंग, बॉय मिसिंग रोहन गुप्ता। बॉय है जो मिसिंग है, कैपिटल लेटर में रोहन गुप्ता, 12 ईयर्स, जो 12 साल का है, एंड 5.3 टॉल, 5 फुट 3 इंच लंबा है, गोरा है, स्लिम है बना हुआ। तो टॉल, फेयर, स्लिम बिल्ट, वेयरिंग ब्लू टी शर्ट, और जिसने ब्लू टी शर्ट पहना हुआ है एंड ब्लैक जीन्स, सिंस 5 जून 2018 फ्रॉम MG रोड इंदौर। ये इंदौर के MG रोड पे लास्ट टाइम देखा गया था, और यहाँ से तब से ये गायब है रोहन। एंड देन स्पीक्स हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश, और उसको इसकी जो लैंग्वेज नोन है दैट इज़ हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश ऑल्सो। Informers will be suitable rewarded. The reward is not mentioned yet, so it's telling about कि informer जो है वो suitably जैसा उनको ठीक लगे उसी तरह उनको रिवॉर्ड मिलेगा। एंड इन्फॉर्म MG रोड पुलिस स्टेशन, और जिसे ये भी मिले यू हैव टू मेंशन कि जिसे भी ये मिले कि कहाँ आपको रिपोर्ट करना है इसके बारे, तो यू हैव टू रिपोर्ट इट, इन्फॉर्म MG रोड पुलिस स्टेशन, हैशटैग कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर। Okay, so this is what about the hardly it's take 5 to 6 lines, I think you can see all. And आप इसको once again you will put a box over it. So now this is what about the lost and found. So here our advertisements ends. And if you have any doubts towards any whether it's invitations or advertisements or notices there, so whatever discussed I discussed with you all, so I think that is enough to know. And I think it's all clear to you all. So in my next video I'll upload the next part of the writing skill. And I think you all know, you all have your syllabus. I think I have already discussed about the syllabus in my the first videos. So I'll go through the next video, that is the letter writing. Thank you, keep watching.